Freddie's Amazing Bakery is an adorable story all about Freddie, and Freddie is a baker. He absolutely loves baking in the town of Belville. And one of the cutest things about this book are the illustrations. There's an adorable map at the beginning. It shows the town of Belville and several of the landmarks, including some of the canals, offering you some great opportunities to talk about those aspects of geography with your children. And in this story, Freddie is entering a baking competition, and several other people are also entering the baking competition. And instead of being competitive with each of them, Freddie is just a real stand-up guy, and he decides to help people, and he's just very, very kind. Now, one of his competitors, Bernard, does not show Freddie the same kindness, and he actually tries to cheat his way through this competition. Don't worry, all comes true in the end. This is a very light mystery, perfect for kids 5 and up. It's a really nice read aloud. It's a good beginner chapter book, lots of illustrations through it, and there is even a recipe in the end as well as a glossary. So a variety of wonderful different elements in this book, and right now there are 2 books in this series.